Experiencing a computer that refuses to start can be incredibly frustrating. I personally struggled with my own system acting up, trying countless solutions, but eventually discovered several reliable ways to get things working again. Now I'm going to share these proven methods with you so you can easily fix Fedora boot stuck on black screen and loading loop. First, we'll look at checking your computer's boot order and BIOS or UEFI settings. This is crucial because your computer might be trying to load Fedora from the wrong place, like a non-existent drive, causing it to freeze. Next, we'll discuss rebuilding the GRUB bootloader. GRUB acts as the essential guide for your operating system to start. If it's damaged, your computer won't know how to load Fedora, leading to a black screen. Then we'll cover checking and repairing disk errors. Think of your hard drive as a library of files. If vital system files are damaged or misplaced, Fedora cannot read them to boot up, so fixing these errors is key. Finally, we'll explore updating or reinstalling your kernel. The kernel is the very core brain of your Fedora system, and if it's corrupted or outdated, the entire system can fail to start. Ensuring you have a healthy, up-to-date kernel often resolves these tricky boot issues.